Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby. Today I will be doing a highly requested Balenciaga mini city bag. I've had this bag for 3 years, guys, and I have not really talked much about it. I kind of like went into what fits and whatnot, but some of you guys have asked, therefore I shall deliver. But also I wanted to do a video on this bag and talking about the Balenciaga Cagole bag. Hey guys, this is Future Tabby. I was watching footage and I totally butchered the name of the Balenciaga bag. I kept saying La Cagole, but I think it's Le Cagole. Le Cagole. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. So please bear in mind that I'm saying the name of the bag wrong the whole time, but I think it's Le Cagole instead of La Cagole. Alright, thank you. Let's go back to the video. Because I feel like this is like a classic Balenciaga like city bag, and I feel like this bag, the La Cagole, if that's how you pronounce it, is like a modern twist on the city bag. And yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna do a mini city or a city versus La Cagole bag. Boy, that's a tongue twister. And yeah, what my thoughts are and so forth. And basically, because the reason why I wanted to do that is because for months and months, I guess since the bag first came out, I have really liked the bag. I've really liked the bag. I have been sitting back and watching it for quite a while, and you know, people talk about it being highly hyped on Instagram, and actually I don't really, I mean, I see it here and there on Instagram. I don't think it's loved at all on YouTube. I think there's not many videos on the bag. I feel like that's the reason. The reason is because it's pretty much a love or hate bag, and I think the majority of people kind of hate that bag and pretty much think it's ugly. And for some weird, strange reason, I just think that bag is so cool. It's so ugly, it's so cool. It's kind of like a pug. It's so, don't get offended, but it's kind of like, it's so ugly, but it's so cute. And since moving to Hawaii, I kind of feel like my take on, well, I typically feel like I go for pretty classic bags, but I want to, like, I've been talking about this for a while, that I want to go more bold and more fun. And I really haven't been purchasing many luxury bags just because, first, to be honest, I'm really not that interested in a lot of it as much as I used to. And second, I've been sitting back and watching it, and we'll get into that in a little bit. But before I start this video, I just wanted to give a shout out to Avina Birthstones. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful ring. If you guys don't know, Avina Birthstones creates lab-grown stones that will avoid the ethically and immoral issues that comes with mining stones and crystals and so forth. I won't go into so much detail with that, but there are a lot of pros to having lab created stones. So I'm really happy to say that I have this emerald made stone, and it's in gold plated, 14K gold plated, and I'm just excited because I love vintage jewelry. I'm gonna put an insert of my mom's ring that she gave to me that's like vintage, like almost 40 years old now. It's amethyst with it's all gold. It's not 24 karat, it's 18K plated. And so my mom also has this emerald ring, and I have been wanting to buy one, but they're so overpriced in my opinion as to what I want to spend right now. And I wanted like a vintagey looking ring, and so this is really cool that Avina Birthstones reached out to me. So they make these stones, and they are in like the 4C scale, and their clarity is super high. So I like that. I like that a lot, and it gives me like vintage vibes with a good price point as well. So let's just get a little bit closer. And green's my favorite color, so it kind of gives me the look of my mom's ring, which I know she'll pass to me later. But yeah, I'm really happy to have this. And then also they sent me this ring, these earrings right here, and they are 14K plated gold. So yeah, just very happy to have a lab created stone. I typically go for real stones, but I have been kind of researching some of the ethically and immoral things on stone mining, so look into that. But it's really up to you. If you like kind of like the look like this, there's like all these different types of designs on their website. So thank you, Avina Birthstones, for sending me this ring and these earrings as well. I really like how modern they look. I'm gonna do the mini city bag versus, or the city bag, actually no, this is accurate, the mini city bag versus the extra small Le Cagole bag, because I feel like it's relevant now. And then a lot of people are just asking, like, is the mini city or the city still a relevant bag? Is it worth it? Is it still like a classic? And we can get into that too. So I'm gonna put a timestamp into the review of this bag, and then also what fits in it. So this might be a long one, so we shall see. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. So the city bag is you know, it was really popular in the 90s, 2000s, and kind of disappeared. And you have like your diehard Balenciaga lovers that love the city bag. I had the city bag in like this maroon color, and it had the giant hardware, and I felt like it was a little too, like, I don't know, the color wasn't working for me, and I felt like it was too heavy and too big. But I just absolutely love Balenciaga's like leather and the look, and I feel like this is just such a classic bag. I feel like it doesn't have like logos. If you're not a purse lover, I feel like you may not know what it is. I love that the leather of this like bag, you know, like gets buttery soft. So I don't want to get into a review, but basically I just feel like this is a classic bag. Like Balenciaga city bags are just classics in my opinion. Not for everyone, but you have to have like kind of like an edgy kind of like, I feel like, carefree bag. I don't know if it's necessarily like a classy bag. I guess it could, kind of, right? I don't know, not really. But it's like a moto bag. So let's talk about the extra small Le Cagole bag. And it comes in so many colors. There's pink, there's green. I'm just gonna put a video or screenshot right here to show you all the colors it comes in. I don't see the lavender in there, which I really love, or it's like a baby purple color. I don't see the what else is there? Oh, gold on there. I don't know where these colors are, if they ran out or whatnot, but at the moment I'm very much obsessed with the green and then the pink. I know, I'm so not a pink girl, but I've been recently kind of wearing pink a lot. And I think it's like the island is bringing out colors in my style, kind of. There's extra small, I think it comes in a mini. It comes in a medium. There's different sizes. I think Mel Sodero got like the medium size. Not a huge fan. I think it's too big, and just not a fan of that bag. The mini is cute because it comes with like a little like chain strap, but I really like the extra small because it has like the adjustable straps. It had, oh, my cat just moved the it has the adjustable straps, and it also has like the cute heart mirror, and it has like the extra little like money coin purse hanging. Now for the minimalist out there, this is not the bag for you because it is very busy. It is almost borderline tacky. I guess it's not borderline tacky. It's pretty much, I think it's a tacky bag. But for some reason, I just feel like it's such a fun bag. I feel like it is like the modern twist on the city bag. And I just think it's, I don't know, I feel like it's a cool, trendy bag. Really like the green and pink. Now, I don't know if the leather is going to like wear as nicely as the city bags, but I'm pretty sure because Balenciaga always has really nice leather bags. The price is $2,100. I don't actually know what city bags are costing or what the cost is right now, so I'll put a little price thing right there. But for some of the criteria that I look at when I want to buy a bag, I am like contemplating this bag, but I'm probably still gonna watch it. So the look, I want to talk about function, price, wear, resale value, and place in my closet. The look I think is really cool, but I think it's a little trendy. The function, I think it's gonna be such a functional bag because like this, it crossbodies, you can remove the strap, and I feel like it can carry as much as this from what I've seen in videos. And then as far as price goes, I think it's too pricey. It's like $2,100. And that leads me into like the resale, which no, I don't think any Balenciaga bags ever hold their value. I purchased this 3 years ago for I think like $800 because it was in good condition, but you could have got like Balenciaga city bags for cheaper back then. I don't know now. So resale, definitely Balenciaga value like does not hold its value, so which is making me like contemplate whether I should get that bag. And then place in closet, I think I'll probably most likely, if I know myself, get black, because I just think it's a casual bag with not many logos, and I feel like it's gonna go with everything. Although my heart is kind of saying go for green or pink. So you guys let me know what you think. I just think, I'm pretty sure that in the comments down below, you guys let me know what you guys think about this bag. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I think you guys are gonna probably put the puke emoji. But yeah, let me know which color you guys like. I just wanted to do a verse. I feel like this is more classy. It's gonna be classic. I definitely know the Le Cagole bag is trendy and will definitely not be here to stay, because I just don't think it's a fan favorite for sure. But for some darn weird reason, I really like the bag. So that is basically what I feel about these two bags. I think that they're pretty comparable, a classic and kind of like a modern twist on the bag. I think that's kind of it. So let's get into the review. All right guys, so now on to the review. So if you're still here, what you came for maybe is the Balenciaga Mini City review. And I have this bag in gray with gold hardware, and then it has the strap. I actually purchased this from Fashionphile, I think 3-4 years ago. I'll link the video of my unboxing of it in the description. But I've had this bag and I don't know why I haven't done a review. People are asking, is it still relevant? Is it worth it? And to me, I think this bag is always relevant. I just think that the city bag, and I actually like the style more because it looks more classic. Now they have the giant hardware and the other styles. They look a little bit more moto to me, which I actually like too. But this seems a little bit more like classy a little bit and a little edgy at the same time. So is it relevant still? I mean, it's all up to personal preference, but I just feel like Balenciaga city bags are kind of just like, I feel like they're a cool girl bag, and I feel like they're not so like, I don't know, in your face. I don't feel like they're as trendy either, so that's kind of cool. And it's just such a carefree bag, to tell you the truth. The leather just gets so buttery soft. You can find these in the pre-loved market for relatively well priced, because again, Balenciaga doesn't hold its value. I haven't really looked on the market now as to what Balenciaga bags cost now in the resale market, but if the Balenciaga Le Cagole is popular and Balenciaga is more popular, I imagine the prices to go up more. I don't know, you guys tell me. I haven't been searching, which I probably should have for this video, but I just think that they're still worth it. If you guys don't know about this bag, it has like the little weaving on the top. And then it has the front pocket right here, and then this like strap right here, or the little like tassel, which sometimes can get annoying. I think you can remove it, but I like it. And then it comes with the mirror, and you know, you can either like let it hang like that, which I actually kind of like now. And it really you can't fit much in here. Probably like coins. Your phone's definitely not gonna fit in there. Your card holder is not gonna fit in there, and yeah, but you can put coins and your AirPods or something. And then going into the bag right here, you just open it like so, and inside is all cloth. It says Balenciaga. Okay, it says Balenciaga Paris. It has a tassel again, a little back pocket, which I actually have the Balenciaga card, and then also the little like leather swatch. And then so yeah, so you obviously can fit cards back here. Everything is cloth in black for me. It all varies depending on the bag. I really like this bag because I feel like the silver of the leather kind of has a play of like silver hardware, and then the gold has obviously gold hardware. So like I like to mix and match metal. So for example, I'm wearing gold right here, and then all on this side I'm wearing silver. I like to mix and match, and I find that this kind of like ties in the mixed metals. And yeah, so then everything else is just like this big black hole. So this bag, I'll put the dimensions right here. It is a pretty relatively like small bag. This is an iPhone, super old. What is this? 8 Plus, I think, yeah. And so you can see the size. It looks like a small bag, which I feel like it is like a smaller bag for sure. But actually, let me get my Chanel walk so you can see, because I feel like a lot of you guys are familiar with that. The Chanel walk is kind of like the bag that I always like compare bags to. I don't know why. So yeah, you can see the Chanel walk, wallet on chain. So it's not that small, but it's a good, you know, size. So what's cool about this bag is that the leather is so stretchy, and so not stretchy, but like soft, that a lot of things can fit in here. So let's get into it real quick. You guys obviously know that I like love this bag, so that's yeah, there's not much more to say about it. I really like it just because it's so functional. You can carry it on your top handle, you can crossbody it, you can adjust the straps right here. The only thing is I always feel like this like little clasp thing is kind of like a little like flimsy. I don't know, but either way, I mean, yeah. And it's all like, you can see it's getting smushy, which I really like. So let's get into what is in here. Oh, these, I didn't realize how cute these are. Such a combo. Like, it's in my bag, but I never see it on camera like close. This is such a cute combo. So this is just the mini pochette. Everybody knows about this, which I'm probably going to talk about because it's so not worth it right now with LV increasing the prices. But anyways, this is just a catch-all, you know, like lipstick and cards and whatnot. I have my Chanel card holder, flat card holder, and then see, it's like such a black hole you can't see. And then I have my keyring holder. There you go. My camera's not adjusting. And then lastly, can you even see the black hole? It is my Louis Vuitton clay with more cards. And that's about it. So obviously that's not everything that can go in there, but I think that's like everything that fits in there that would be comfortable. I'm going to show you like putting another item in there, like another catch-all, and it can fit just fine, but it just kind of makes it like, you know, a little bit fatter. So I feel like it looks good like that. I have my other catch-all right here, my Fendi catch-all. I'm going to put it inside. Obviously there's room, but it's just going to make it look like fat, which actually looks cute fat. So there is just so much that you can carry inside here. Not really a water bottle, maybe a small size water bottle. Here's the bottom, which I didn't show you. And yeah, so I feel like this is just a very casual bag, but also it just really can go with everything. Maybe not so like dress up at night, dinner. Just a good like overall like carefree bag. So here are some mod shots. I am 5'2", 127 for reference. Oh my gosh, for reference. This is crossbody on the little like bottom hole right here. Crossbody. I can insert some pictures as well. And then you can also obviously wear it. You can obviously wear it like this on the crook of your arm, or again like down like that. Yeah, I just feel like it adds like a really cool little edge to really any outfit. But that is my review. I hope that you guys found this helpful. I mean, there are probably a million other reviews on the Balenciaga City bag, but I kind of just wanted to let you guys know what my opinion is. I still think it's worth it. And I kind of like the Le Cagole bag. So thank you for being so patient on waiting for this review. Alright guys, so that's it on this review. My little verse video, and then also a little review, what fits. Hope you guys liked it. See you in my next video. Bye!